continue with. Okay. So morning we are discussing about equation of ellipse, isn't it? These equations are given. We are finding the focus, major axis, minor axis, and all, isn't it? The last, I think the last previous period, I gave one question and it is not complete. Did you try that one? The last one, I think it is not complete. I asked you to complete it. How many of you tried that one? Yes, Sania. What about Punya? Me too. Yes, Aparna, Gayatri, Atul. No, tried. Okay. Others, do it and tell me the answer. Okay, do it. Very good. Okay, those who did that one. Okay, very good. Others, do it fast and find out. Okay, similar question we discussed earlier. Nandana, can you give the question which one we discussed earlier? That one.
9x square by 36 plus 4y square by 36. I think I did a mistake. Oh no. 9x square plus 4y square equal to 36.
4y squared is 36. Okay. Okay, Nandana. Okay, so first we will be writing this equation in standard form. So when you write in standard form, we will get 9x squared by 36 plus 4y squared by 36 is equal to 1. So comparing this, we will get x squared by 9, 4 plus y squared by 9 is 1. So which is the major axis here? So the major axis is, which is the
Y-axis.
Y-axis. So y-axis is the major axis. So we can compare it with the form x square by b square plus y square by a square is equal to 1. X square by a square plus y square by b square is 1. So comparing, you will get b square is equal to 4, a square is equal to 9. Then find out what is c square. Find out what is c square. Find what is c square. C square is a square minus b square, isn't it? So therefore, what is c? After finding c,
root 5.
c is root 5. Okay. C is root 5. So once you find this c, you can answer the remaining questions, isn't it? You can write down what is the vertex. What the answer? Gayatri? What is the focus here? Gayatri?
0 plus or minus root 30.
0, plus or minus root 5. What about the vertices? Srihari? Vertices.
0 and plus or minus 3.
Can you repeat?
0 and plus or minus 3.
0, plus or minus 3. 0, plus or minus 3. What is the length of the major axis? Karthik?
Ma'am, 6.
6 units. Okay. Emmanuel, length of minor axis?
4.
4. Okay, correct. Then eccentricity? Nia? Eccentricity?
Root 5 by 3.
Yes, it is root 5 by 3, correct. Then length of latus rectum? Dia?
Root 5 by 3.
Okay.
8 by 3.
8 by 5. Is it clear, children? Is it okay? Are you getting the same answers, Aparna? Hmm?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Now write the next one. Next one. So till now, equations are given and we are finding the vertex. What is the focus? What is the length of lattice rectum and all. Okay, so now the next type. Focus, vertex, something will be given. We have to find out the equation. Okay, write the question. Write the answer. Find the equation for the ellipse. Find the equation for the ellipse that satisfies the given conditions. That satisfies the given condition. Find the equation for the ellipse that satisfies the given condition. Under that first one, vertices plus or minus 5, 0, vertices plus or minus 5, 0, and foci plus or minus 4, 0. Vertices plus or minus 5, 0, and foci plus or minus 4, 0. How to do this? Yes. Listen. Once it is given, first you have to check which is the major axis. Can you give the major axis here?
X.
X. Okay, your answer is correct, Punya. How have you got the answer as x-axis?
Y coordinate is 0.
Very good. On x-axis only we have y coordinate is 0. So once it is of this form, plus or minus some a comma 0, y coordinate is 0. Therefore we can say the major axis is x-axis. Major axis is x-axis. So what will be the equation of the ellipse? So if the major axis is x-axis, what will be the equation of the ellipse? Aparna.
Ma'am, x square by a square plus y square by b square is equal to 1.
It is x square by a square plus y square by b square is equal to 1. But okay, now look at here. Vertices are given. Vertices it is given by always plus or minus a comma 0. Focus is given by plus or minus c comma 0. So you compare it. From here we can say what is a? The value of a is 5 and c is 4. A is 5 and C is 4. B is not given, isn't it? What is the relation connecting A, B and C? What is the relation connecting A, B and C? Emmanuel. Relation connecting A, B and C.
C square equal to AB square minus B square.
Repeat it.
C
Yes.
square equal to A square minus B square.
Yes, yes, it is correct. C square is equal to A square minus B square. So from here, what is B square? B square is A square minus
9.
C square. Yes. It is 25 minus 16, which is 9. Therefore, what is B? B is 3, isn't it? Otherwise, no need to find B, isn't it? B square only we need. We need B. So, B square is 9. So, what will be the equation of the ellipse? So, the equation of the ellipse is x square by a square plus y square by b square is equal to 1. Substitute the values there. A is 5. So, x square by 25 plus y square by 9 is equal to 1. Is it clear, children? Is it okay? No, conic section, it is not very lengthy questions. Very small questions only you are getting. No, compared to straight lines. Straight lines, some few questions are lengthy. But conic sections, most of the questions are simple. 1 or 2 steps only need to solve a question. Okay. Now try the next question, children. You try this next one. Vertices 0, plus or minus 13. Vertices 0, plus or minus 13. Foci 0, plus or minus 5. Vertices vertices 0, plus or minus 13. And focus, foci, okay, plural form, foci. Foci 0, plus or minus 5. Do it and be ready to give the answer. Identify which form, which is the standard form, compare it. Aparna, some work is seen behind you, some paperwork, craft work. Is it done by you or? Is it?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, good, nice. So, Michael, can you give the standard form, Michael? What is the standard form?
X square by a square plus y square by b square is equal to 1.
X square by a square plus y square by b square is equal to 1. In which case, which axis is the major axis here? You take this form, x square by a square plus y square by b square is equal to 1. Michael, which is the major axis here? Michael, can you answer this? What about the major axis?
Major axis is y.
Y. Then what about this equation? Is it correct? If y-axis is the major axis, what is the equation you will get? Now read.
X square by b square plus y square by a square equal to 1.
If the major axis is y-axis, okay, Michael, note that correction. Okay?
Okay.
So standard equation takes the form x square by b square plus y square by a square is equal to 1. Okay? Because here x coordinate is 0. X coordinate is 0 means that one will lie on y-axis. Now, Krishna Chandran, can you give the value of C? What is the value of C?
5.
C is 5. Is it correct, Srihari? Value of C is 5. Is that no? This one you can compare it. It is of the form 0, plus or minus A. This is 0, plus or minus A. Okay, Krishna Chandran, it is correct. Now, Rijas, calculate and tell me what is the value of B square. Rijas, okay, calculate and give me the value of B square.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. Yes. What is the value?
B square 144.
B square is 144. Is it correct? Aditya Satyan? Is it 144? Aditya Satyan? If B square is 144, what is the equation of the ellipse? Annette, what is the equation of the ellipse? B square we got as 144, so what will be the equation of the ellipse? Yes?
I didn't get that, ma'am.
You didn't get. No. What is the equation? You substitute there. Okay, equation you know, isn't it? What is the equation?
X square by B square plus Y
Okay.
square.
So substitute this and tell me the answer. Okay. Yes, Karthik, can you give the equation of the ellipse?
X square by 144 plus Y square by 169 is equal to 1.
X square by 144 plus y square by 169 is equal to 1. X square by 144 plus y square by 169 is 1. Okay, now next question. Annette, you have to give the answer. Okay, be ready. Write the next one, children. The next one. Find the equation of the ellipse. Find the equation of the ellipse whose vertices are 0, comma plus or minus 3, whose vertices are 0, comma plus or minus 3 and foci are 0, comma plus or minus root 5. 0, comma plus or minus root 5. These are the vertices. Vertices are 0, comma plus or minus 3 and the foci is given by 0, comma plus or minus root 5. Srihari, can you give the equation of the ellipse here? Srihari, equation of ellipse. Yes, Srihari?
Yes, ma'am. X square by a square or x square by a square plus y square by b square equal to 1.
What is the standard form? Once again, can you repeat?
X square by a square, x square by b square plus y square by a square equal to 1.
Okay, x square by b square plus y square by a square is 1 because it lies on y axis. Okay. Okay, Anuj, can you tell me what is the value of a?
Ma'am, I got root 14.
A. What is the value of a?
Ma'am, I got root 14.
A, no, look at you. How will you get a as root 14? Vertices are given, isn't it? Vertices are denoted by vertices of the ellipse are given by 0, plus or minus a. Is that no? So what is the value of a? If you compare it, what is the value of a? What is the value of a? Compare it. Okay, something okay. I think you have selected this as B. It's wrong. Vertices are always given by 0, plus or minus a or plus or minus a, 0. So value of a is, can you give the correct value now, Anuj?
Ma'am, 3.
3. And here focus means it is C, plus or minus C. So C is root 5. Isn't it? So from here find out what is B. So B square will be same as A square minus C square. So Achyut, what is the value of B square? Achyut.
Ma'am, b square equal to a square minus c square. Should I find the answer?
Yes, find out and give.
I got 2. b equal to 2.
B is 2. How? What is A square?
A square is 9
So 9 minus C
minus
square.
5. 5.
So 4. So B is
4. 2.
B square is 4. So B is 2. Okay.
2.
So what is the equation of the ellipse? Aditya. S Raj.
Ma'am, x square by 4 plus y square by 9 equal to 1.
X square by 4 plus y square by 9 is equal to 1. Okay, Anuj, is it clear, Anuj? Anuj?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so next model, children, write the next one. Ends of major axis, end points of major axis are plus or minus 3, 0. End points of major axis plus or minus 3, 0. So end points of major axis is plus or minus 3, 0. And the ends of minor axis. 0, plus or minus 2. Find the equation of the ellipse. End point of the major axis are plus or minus 3, 0. Ends of the major axis is plus or minus 3, 0. Minor axis is 0, plus or minus 2. Find the equation of the ellipse. So look at the end points of the major axis. So end points of the major axis from the end points of the major axis. Can you give what is the equation of the ellipse? Atul. What is the standard form? Atul.
X square by a square plus y square by b square is equal to 1.
Why you selected this form?
Because major axis is x-axis.
Very good. The major axis is x-axis. That's what is okay. That's why we are selecting the form as x square by a square plus y square by b square is equal to 1. Okay, correct, Chatul. Good. So now here, end points of major axis, it is always denoted by plus or minus a comma 0, isn't it? And what about the ends of minor axis? End points of minor axis are given by okay, this is the ellipse. So this point, end points are given by a comma 0 minus a comma 0 because the length is a. Okay, the length is a. Length of the major axis is a. Now minor axis, it is the length is given as b. So what will be the end points? It lies on y-axis, isn't it? It is lying
0,
on
comma
what?
plus or minus b.
Yes, it is 0, comma plus or minus b. So from here itself you can write what is the value of a. When you compare it, what is the value of a and what is the value of b? Aishwarya.
A is 3 and B is 2.
Very good. So you can write what is a square, isn't it? Therefore a square is 9 and b square is 4. Therefore what is the equation of the ellipse? Therefore the equation of the ellipse is given by x square by a square plus y square by b square is equal to 1. Apply the values and complete it. So what is the equation of the ellipse? Nandana?
X square by 9 plus y square by 4 equal to 1.
Y squared by 4 is equal to 1. Okay. Now the next one, similar question only. N points of major axis. Ends of major axis 0, comma plus or minus root 5. End points of major axis 0, comma plus or minus root 5. And ends of minor axis plus or minus 1, comma 0. Ends of minor axis plus or minus 1, comma 0. Ends of major axis 0, comma plus or minus root 5. Ends of minor axis plus or minus 1, comma 0. Start doing. Shubham? Yes, is it over? Alvin Benny, can you give the equation? Alvin? Okay. Alvin? Yes, can you give the answer? Okay, Nia, I'll repeat the question here. The question is, end of major axis, ends of major axis 0, plus or minus root 5. 0, plus or minus root 5. And ends of minor axis plus or minus 1, 0. Ends of minor axis plus or minus 1, 0. Okay, Punya, can you give the answer?
X square by 1 plus y square by 5 is equal to
X square by 1 plus y square by 5 is equal to 0. Emmanuel, what is the answer you got?
Ma'am, x square by 1 plus y square by 5 equal to 1.
Okay, is it clear, children? How to frame the equation of the ellipse? Once you are given with focus or vertices or length of the major axis, length of the minor axis. What is the relation connecting A, B and C? Gaudi is present or absent? Gaudi not seen today. Formula connecting A, B and C. Achud. Formula connecting A, B and C. Achud, can you give the answer? What is the relation between A, B and C? Punya.
C is equal to root of a square minus b square.
C is equal to root of A square minus B square. Okay, so there are two equations for ellipse. Okay, today what we did is clear, children. By tomorrow we will be completing the ellipse and we will start with the next type, hyperbola. That equation we will be learning it tomorrow. Okay, only few more questions there in ellipse. That one we will complete and we will start with hyperbola. Okay, today your work is solve the questions given in the straight lines. Make it clear. Any doubts are there means by tomorrow you have to clear your doubts. Okay, and record work and all, is it complete? Record work and project completed and okay, get ready for submitting. Nandana, you got the okay, that is okay, you submitted. Gayatri, after doing the correction, once again submit it. Okay, others, if it is ready, completed, submit it. Okay, children, I end the session now. Okay, thank you.